Is VRM Project crashing because of the UniGLTF Utilities DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. While preparing the manual steps for UniGLTF Utilities, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the UniGLTF Utilities, a specialized library for the Unity engine that manages the import and export of glTF and VRM 3D models. It is essential for VTubing software and specialized avatar editors. If missing, the software will fail to load 3D character models, citing a glTF module load failure. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. If you see a UniGLTF Utilities DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the VRM Project subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the UniGLTF utilities file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Replacing UniGLTF utilities without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references UniGLTF utilities configuration concepts. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing UniGLTF utilities was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.